With the continuous subdivision of residents' consumption needs, consumers' requirements for home appliances are more intelligent and high-end. Consumers' pursuit of TV has also changed from the basic function of watching movies and TV to the pursuit of audio-visual enjoyment and intelligent interaction. The new high-end flagship product AQUOS V Series, created by Sharp, has excellent performance. It not only satisfies the consumer groups who pursue hardcore configuration in terms of technical parameters, but also provides spiritual satisfaction for consumer groups who pursue a comfortable experience of watching movies at home. Sharp AQUOS V Series is a 4K ultra-high-definition TV equipped with full-channel 120Hz technology and creates an immersive and real sound field effect through Dolby Atmos and Sky Sound, which not only makes each frame real and silky, it can also let every rhythm lead the audience into a more immersive real scene. Compared with Sharp's other product lines, the AQUOS V Series is more clearly positioned as a game TV, and the V-Word Fun Player expresses the visual charm brought by the full-channel 120Hz configuration. Full-channel 120Hz brings users the most intuitive experience in the game. Every frame of the game screen will not be missed, every operation will be more detailed, and the details of the scene will be smoother and smoother. Let you experience an unprecedented real feeling. Simply understand the full-channel 120Hz configuration, which is a collection of 120Hz high refresh rate, 120Hz MEMC motion compensation technology, 120Hz chip analysis, HDMI 2.1 support for 4K 120Hz, and VRR and ALLM adaptive refresh rate technology. Based on the application of these technologies, when users are immersed in the game, they can accurately capture every moment of extreme speed, prevent problems such as picture freezing and shaking, losslessly decode and input the game picture, and enjoy the high-definition game world. This extreme effect is also helpful in other types of sports events. While admiring the perfect lines of athletes, the precise and smooth picture will also make the audience more immersed in the event. Its built-in Start Cloud game platform will bring users a unique cloud game experience. There are as many as 50+ genuine games, combined with the ultimate audio and video effects, to bring out the game experience heartily. In addition, in order to achieve a more immersive experience, the Sharp AQUOS V Series is also equipped with a high-quality sound system for users. Dolby Audio Picture and DTS Virtual X Sky Sound can further improve the above-mentioned high-quality viewing experience. Among them, Dolby Audio and Video can bring better cinema-level effects, and the sound effects created by DTS Virtual X do not need to increase the Sky channel, and the top-down Sky sound effect is formed through algorithms, which greatly increases the time spent in games and watching movies. The sense of immersion also greatly increases the sense of substitution, just like being there. The ultimate audio and video experience has enhanced the happiness of the majority of users watching movies at home, and they can feel the beauty of the world without leaving home. If the technical hardcore blessing satisfies our imagination at the technological level of the product, then the intelligent and interesting interaction of the Sharp AQUOS V Series brings the intimacy of friends and family to users. First of all, the machine is equipped with a magnetic high-intensity AI smart camera, which can provide multi-channel video calls, so that the people you want to see are within reach. You can also do dance, fitness and other sports to better achieve the effect of home sports. In addition, the smart audio-visual housekeeper is on standby 24/7. Just wake up xiao to control the TV with voice, switch channels, watch TV, check the weather, and even interact in chat when you are bored. What I have to say is that the Sharp AQUOS V Series has something more heartwarming. The concern for the elderly and children makes this TV have an elder mode and a child protection mode, setting the usage mode for the family, and no longer worrying about the elderly. Don't know how to operate, and don't worry about children watching TV for too long, which reflect Sharp's warmth. The newly upgraded Tatum Intelligence System covers a variety of film and television resources. A TV is a treasure trove of film and television. Watching movies at home can not only cast the screen, but also find the content you want to watch in the resource library, adding fun to home. Sharp AQUOS V Series embodies the ultimate audio and video performance, as well as its excellence in intellectual and interesting interaction, which better interprets what a high-end TV should look like. I believe that Sharp AQUOS V Series will become an extremely suitable TV for users. A 4K TV, and it will win the favor of every user with its own excellent performance. What do you think about the new TV? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.